Mina Kids TV.
A is for apple, sweet apple. B is for bird, little bird. C is for cat, cute cat. D is for dolphin, smart dolphin. E is for earth, big earth. Earth is for frog, green frog. G is for giraffe, tall giraffe. H is for heart, red heart. I is for ice cream, yummy ice cream. J is for juice, fresh juice. K is for keys, shiny keys. L is for leaf, green reef. M is for mouse, tiny mouse. N is for notebook, blue notebook. O is for all, wise all. P is for pig, pink pig. Q is for queen, royal queen. R is for ring, golden ring. S is for sun, bright sun. T is for tree, tall tree. U is for umbrella, colorful umbrella. V is for violin, musical violin. W is for watermelon, juicy watermelon. N is for xylophone, great fun xylophone. Y is for yacht, big yacht. Z is for zebra, striped zebra.